Hello, friends. Welcome back. The future money is digital currency, where I'll just suggest you invest like a bull, sit like a bear and observe, and keep a watch like an eagle. Start a day with your coffee, but end it with cryptocurrency and the incomes in your pocket. I told you so because today I have came across a brilliant plan. The name is TRX Prime. If we talk about the company is 100% transparent and decentralized. It works on blockchain system and focuses on team growth. If we talk about the result, it is future oriented company and have the specific action for every problem. It has a complete target market which has been segmented into customers and whole desires. If we talk about the reach of the project, the company have focused on all so that it can reach every single stage. The company have focused on all so that it can reach every single stage. If we talk about the official website of the company, so it is www.trxprime.finance. So let's put the highlight on what is TRX Prime. TRX Prime is a platform that has been built on blockchain platform and it is 100% decentralized platform. It has the internal coin system and formed to create distribution center of digital entertainment industry. Tron has become one of the leading platform that built on the foundation of blockchain. It has grown rapidly from the time it was launched. So let's talk about why you should choose TRX Prime. It is supportive and it has the possibility of greater transactions within cheaper rates. A special kind of infrastructure has been built to assist you guys. It is a smart contract which is 100% decentralized, 100% transparent, 100% verified smart contract, 100% safe and secure. And there is no admin in here. Let's talk about the smartest system to invest in Tron. It starts from 7.8% to 17% of daily ROI till 5 level of referral reward. It is profitable. Plan duration starts from 7 days to 30 days. Plan duration starts from 7th day to 30th day. For example, 7, 8, 9, 10 and etc. Plans total return starts from 119th day. Plan total percent starts from 119% and increases on 5% basis on the increment of plan duration. For example, plan of 7 days have 119% of return. Total return and plan of 30 days have 234% of total returns. Minimum deposit here is 100 TRX. User can withdraw anytime from anywhere. Each addresses have maximum 500,000 TRX deposit white check mark. If we talk about the referral status, the contracts pay a 15% referral commission over 5 level. From first level you get 7%, from second level you get 4%, from third level you receive 2%, from fourth and fifth level you get 1% each. Your refer should be active user, which means that should they deposit at least one. If the user had not have the valid upline, the owner will be set as default upline. Minimum deposit is 100 TRX. If we talk about the milestones of the company, it is reaching up to 2.5 lakh TRX contract balance, which will be distributed 25,000 TRX among the investors who have invested 1,000 TRX or more. The launch of the promotion, which is this period only. The company have reached 5 lakh TRX, from which 50,000 TRX will be split. You can read the disclaimer, which states Hazel Crypto Security is neither responsible for your funds or nor guarantee your profit. You are solely responsible for your action you make for your investment. There are all the answers to your question. Please have a look on that frequently asked question. Why should you participate here? Is it a verified smart contract? How can you invest here? What are the difference between deposit period? How can I multiple my deposit? Do you have any referral program? Where can you get the latest news of the channel? So, these were the questions you may come across. They all are being answered by the company, and now, as it is the launching date of the company, which is 25 November 2021, you get the maximum profit out of the project. So, invest wisely and be a smart user. So, you can get the WhatsApp link in the description box. Stay tuned, stay happy, keep earning.